When you have an energy healing session with us, we are going to be talking to your soul, and we are asking your soul what you want to work on. If you have something that you come in with, then we will focus on that. And what we're doing is we're checking in to see if there's some discord in the areas or there's some information. And we look at if there's blocks, if there's beliefs, if there's trauma, and then we come up with an answer. And then what we do is we send that to your soul, because we never go in and do anything within your energy field. But you and your soul are talking to us, and then we're sending you the fix, and then you can choose to use it or not. And it's amazing what can happen.